Hey, good people! Today I came with another PowerPoint tutorial on Morph Transition to create interactive and beautiful slides you can use in your next presentation. Let's find out how to make this. In a blank slide, insert a rectangular shape on the left side. Format it with no outline and a color of your choice. I am making this blue-themed slide and using blue color. Insert a rounded edge rectangular shape, small width. Format that with white color. Place it in the middle of the rectangular shape, like the video. Now insert another rounded edge rectangular shape. Use the white shape to fix the height of the new shape. Adjust the roundness of the shape using the yellow pointer. Format the shape with no outline and the same blue color. Select the shape and press Ctrl and D to duplicate the shape. Make the new shape small and place it on top of the other shape, like in the video. Format the new shape with light gray color and no outline. Adjust the roundness of the gray shape. Insert necessary text in the gray shape and format with your favorite font. Adjust the font size and color. Add a text box on top of the blue rectangular shape. Select all and press Ctrl and G to group all the objects. Then hold Shift, Ctrl, and drag to create 2 more copies. Select all the shapes and distribute them horizontally. Click on one shape and press Ctrl, Shift, and G to ungroup. Do it for all the shapes. Change the texts according to your needs. Create 3 duplicate copies of this slide using Ctrl and D, or simply right-clicking and selecting. In the second slide, keep the first box and delete the other 2. In the third slide, keep the second one and delete the other 2 boxes. And in the third slide, keep the last one and delete the other 2 boxes. Now go to the first slide, and in the first rectangle, reduce the font size. Drag the text box above, behind the gray shape. Reduce the length of the blue rectangle. Increase the length and width of the gray rectangle so that it covers all the areas of the blue rectangle and the text box. Do it for the second and third boxes also using the same process. We will be adding mouse over animation in this slide. This will help to create the interactive effect in the boxes. Now select the first rectangle and go to Insert and Actions. Now select the mouse over and select the hyperlink 2. From the drop-down, select Slide and select slide number 2. Press OK. Do the same for the other 2 boxes. Select the third slide for the second box and the fourth slide for the third box. Now select the second 2 boxes and copy them using Ctrl and C. Paste them in the second slide. Select the first and third and copy and paste them into the third slide. Select first and second and copy and paste them into the fourth slide. The slides are ready for the mouse over animation. Now select all the slides, go to Transition, and select Morph Transition. Reduce the duration to 1.25 seconds. The first slide with mouse over animation is ready now. In the second one, I will be using Morph animation for an infographic slide. Start with a blank slide and insert a slanted rectangle or parallelogram shape. Adjust the shape using the yellow button and format with no outline. Create a copy of the same holding Ctrl, Shift, and drag. Insert a rounded edge rectangle and format it with no outline. Place it on top of the other rectangle like in the video. Select the slanted rectangle and rounded edge rectangle and go to the Merge Shape option. From the drop-down, select Intersect. Format the new shape with a suitable color. Take the new shape and place it over the first slanted rectangle like in the video. Insert a triangle and rotate and place it under the shape like the video. Make necessary adjustments to fill the gap between the new shape and the slanted rectangle. Format the triangle with a slightly darker color. Select the first shape and right-click to go to the Format Shape option. From the shadow, add Offset Bottom Shadow. Change the size, blur, and distance values as shown on the screen. Now select the shape and change the fill color to white. Adjust the position of the green shape. Now insert a text box and type number 1. Change the font and use a heavy font. Adjust the font size and send it back. Place the number in the lower part of the slanted rectangle like the video. Select all and press Ctrl and G to group the objects. Press Ctrl, Shift, and drag to create 2 more copies. Select and go to Format Shapes and distribute them horizontally. Change the numbers in the second and third objects. Change the fill color of the smaller rectangles and triangles. Add 3 text boxes and add the necessary text in each slanted rectangle. Add heading text in smaller, rounded edge rectangles. Add some icons under each text box using the Insert Icons options. Now create a duplicate of this slide. In the first slide, select all the boxes and align them in the center. Drag them outside the slide area on the left slide. Delete the title. Add a rectangle covering the top half of the slide area and create a copy to cover the bottom half. Format them with no outline. Format the top rectangle with white color and the bottom rectangle with dark color. Add text inside both rectangles. Copy both the rectangles and paste them on the second slide. Drag the white rectangle outside the top part of the slide area and the bottom rectangle outside the bottom part of the slide area. Now select the slides, go to Transition, and select Morph Transition. Reduce the duration of the morph. Your beautiful infographic slide with animation will be ready now. Put it on a slideshow and enjoy. If you liked the tutorial, make sure to like the video and let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to the channel for more useful PowerPoint videos. Thank you for watching.